I was applying for jobs, so I got the link through a drive. So AccuJobs carries out drives for multiple and various companies, right? So initially, I got a drive link for a company called Galatix, and I went there and I gave an exam that was for Excel and data analytics only. So I went there and gave the exam, and I thought it was a pretty smooth process all in all, because after I gave the exam, I even got a report on how I performed and what are my gaps and what I'm lacking in the exam. So yeah, I researched more about it online, and I saw that they do drives for various companies as well. So yeah, I made a profile on there and just kept checking what are the days and what are the companies that are hiring through AccuJobs. That's how I came through it.
Okay, Abhinav, I think you know why you're here. We're here not to kind of get you trained or something, but this time we're here to hear you how your journey has been so far. Have honest feedback, honest opinion with respect to the journey that you've had with us. Okay.
Yeah.
So before we get started with the main questions, let us get to know you. So can you very quickly introduce yourself and probably tell about the journey, like the struggles that you've had with respect to your career?
Okay, yeah. So yeah, my name is Abhinav, and I'm graduated from like computer science college, from SRM college, and yeah, after that I went to post graduation in data analytics and business analytics. So yeah, initially there was a moment that I was stuck in like a job search, because I've been hearing about the market and how there have been layoffs and everything. So the whole process of applying to jobs was really getting frustrating. So yeah, at the moment of time, I was like, have I done the right decision to keep studying and everything? But yeah, eventually, if you keep trying and keep working hard on yourself, yeah, you can get through anything. That's what my experience have been in the whole journey.
And how did you come across that?
So yeah, as I said, I was applying for jobs. So I got the link through a drive. So AccuJobs carries out drives for multiple and various companies, right? So initially, I got a drive link for a company called Galatix, and I went there and I gave an exam that was for Excel and data analytics only. So I went there and gave the exam, and I thought it was a pretty smooth process all in all, because after I gave the exam, I even got a report on how I performed and what are my gaps and what I'm lacking in the exam. So yeah, I researched more about it online, and I saw that they do drives for various companies as well. So yeah, I made a profile on there and just kept checking what are the days and what are the companies that are hiring through AccuJobs. That's how I came through it.
Okay.
Yes.
And have you ever applied in Amazon or companies like Amazon in the past?
Yes, I did. So I basically applied for major companies and Big Four as well. But yeah, the response that I got was not very motivating, I would say, because they usually take months, or even they don't even sometimes reply and just shut off, like they remove the job postings without any notice. So yeah, I've been applying through the company's major portal sites and the company's websites as well.
Okay, I think this is where I would want to focus on. As you mentioned that you have applied for similar companies, in fact for Amazon also, right? And now that you've been a part of Amazon's hiring process via AccuJob, can you tell me what or how exactly was your journey different this time?
Okay, so as I told, I applied before AccuJobs, like one company before, and I got a detailed report on how I performed, and even I got a reply. So basically, in most of the companies, you don't even get a reply or response on what is the decision that they're making on your applications. And the difference that AccuJob made was you actually get a reply from them. That's the most motivating part, I guess. So if you get a response from them, that's the first thing that you look forward to. And mostly, so whenever I was applying for like Big Four companies, the time that take was too long. Like it was months usually. like 2 to 3 months. And with AccuJobs, the whole process was so timeline and oriented that I knew that this interview and this thing is gonna happen this way. And they always prepared me, like you have always prepared me for the incoming that test that they were going to take, the companies, and specifically Amazon. So yeah, so the whole process took me like 15 to 20 days, and that was really nice of the company and as well as AccuJobs. There's a huge difference in this. So I came to know everything about like how should I prepare and what should be my preparation timeline be for the interviews and the exams as well. So that really made the difference for me.
Okay, I think that's great to hear. Would again want to know about preparation a little more, Abhinav, because a lot of people say that it's very difficult to get into Amazon. It's like cracking IAS examination, which is not the case. Clearly, you know how many people got placed, right? So I would want you to emphasize that what was different or how did AccuJob exactly help you to smoothly crack all the processes?
Mm-hmm. So yeah, I completely agree with the point that it is tough to crack, and there is an image of FAANG companies that it is very tough to crack, and that's initially that what makes a candidate nervous as well. For me, I always got nervous before interviews, whatever interviews I've prepared for before, because you don't know what you can expect in an interview, right? So you just go online and look at stuff, and there's a huge plethora of information that is available online for the interviews, and that just makes you overwhelmed with knowledge. And I honestly, it made me nervous in the interviews. But the difference that AccuJobs made was that there was a personal mentorship with you as well, and the one-to-one interviews, the preparation that we have done. So that made me very calm, and like I knew what to expect. That boosted my confidence on another level. So even if it was the interviews and the tests both, I can keep my calm and like perform on test wells, and because of that I can actually reach my potential, that the skills that I'm having, and I can actually portray them in the right way. It was all because like I knew what to expect from the interviews and the tests. So that's all because of the mentorship that you provided and the test that AccuJob take before the actual test that Amazon took. So yeah, that really helped me to gain confidence and actually ace through the interviews.
Awesome. So you mentioned that there was a journey of 15 to 20 days, right? Everything was wrapped in these days. In these 20 days, what was your favorite part, if you had to pinpoint?
Okay, my favorite part would be the mock interviews that we took. So, because they actually, as I said, I got nervous in interviews, and the mock interviews that you took actually helped me identify the gaps that I have been, like incoming gaps that I have been portraying in the previous interviews. So those interviews, the mock sessions were actually helpful for me to have a good insight of what I have to do or what I have to like prepare for to fill in the gaps. So those were my favorite parts in the whole journey. Yeah.
Okay. So Abhinav, as you know, the mission that we are working towards, right? So there are so many people like you who are trying to find job. If you had to, maybe give a sentence of advice or probably give a feedback to us, what would that be? Any word of advice, any word of suggestion to such audience from your end?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So I would just say that don't give up. It is like a test on your endurance. So keep working hard and never give up on applying. An opportunity will always come towards you. That's all I would say.
So another very interesting question that I generally ask all my candidates, because as you know, getting an offer is kind of like a celebration, right? Yeah. So when you told your parents, your siblings, your friends, कि Amazon में नौकरी लग गया है मुझे, what were the reactions that you got?
Oh, okay. Yeah. So actually, the whole process started in, I think, June 15th or 14th. And June 30th was my birthday. So yeah, I was really anxious about it because birthdays and unemployed won't go hand in hand. So, but after like on 28th or 27th, I got the offer letter. And I just told that to my mom and dad, and they were like very happy. And applying to jobs and not getting any replies, it gets really frustrating, and it takes a toll on you, and your mood goes up and down every day. And they saw the difference in me, and they were very happy that at least that I'll be having a good birthday. So yeah, that was a really great birthday for me from Amazon and AccuJobs both. Yeah.
Awesome. First of all, happy belated birthday, and I'm very, very happy that your birthday was different this time. So, I think Abhinav, two very quick questions. You've had your journey with AccuJob. If you had to give one word to AccuJob, if you had to define your entire journey with AccuJob in one single word, what would that word be for you?
Okay. I would suggest unstoppable. Yeah. Because I'll explain it, because I found each and every solution to the problem that I had over the phase of time. So that would make you unstoppable. So I will suitably have the word for it is unstoppable. Yeah.
Awesome. And going a little bit on Gen Z mode, because everyone uses emojis now. So if I had to ask you, Abhinav, kaun sa emoji doge AccuJob ko? What would that emoji be for you?
I've been using the emoji, the rising star one. It's a golden star that is shooting off. So I would use that emoji for AccuJobs, yeah, because it depicts the whole journey of myself in a single emoji, I would say, yeah.
I think that was a great answer. I think that is all, Abhinav. I know it is your first day. I know there's a lot of things that you are figuring out right now. But thank you so much for taking the time. And I wish you all the very best. As I said, be in touch. Anything that comes across in the near future, we'll be more than happy to help you.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to helping you out, guys. Yeah.
Certainly, Abhinav. Right. Thank you so much. You can drop, okay?
All right. Thank you so much.